Okay, so the road coming up to this spot where I'm at right now was just terrible. The whole right side was washed out, probably like 2 or 3 feet deep in the center of like the washout. But I'm going up to a lookout area and look at this giant gravel pit on the bottom of this mountain. The camera does it no justice, but it is huge. So there's like this little peak, or not peak, but there's this little outcrop here. But I'm taking this trail. I'm the only one here too. I'm taking this trail. I'm gonna hike up the ridgeline right there, and then click-a-tat. Now Adams is right behind this tree line. So I'm hoping for just an epic sunset. To the top I go. All right, so for this segment of my creative process today, I wanted to vlog on my iPhone. As much as today is supposed to be like me getting back into creativity. Oh, that was steep, and I just started. It's also meant to be more of like an experimental day where I'm trying out my iPhone, my camera, seeing what I like about each, and I'm hoping to finalize a creative set moving forward, a creative film set and photography set. I'm so excited to see this. Oh, there's Mount Adams right there, but I'm not gonna flip the camera over yet. It is kind of covered in clouds right now, so we'll see. Wow, so this is a pretty amazing view coming up the ridgeline. It's actually just down there eating lunch. That is Big Mosquito Lake. I'm fairly certain. And then some really cool views out this way. Awesome. Okay, I just came from down there and I finally have reached at least part of the top of the ridge. I gotta go up that way now, I think. There's also like more of an unused trail going that way, but I'm gonna trust my gut and follow the more traveled path. I have noticed that this trail does receive hikers every now and then, but it is by no means a popular destination. Again, I'm the only one here today on a Friday evening, and the tracks I have seen don't look super fresh. Okay, I'm kind of getting a sneak peek of what the view is going to be like, and it is unbelievable. I can see the Goat Rocks from here, and they look actually massive. That must be Gilbert Peak, but Gilbert Peak is covered in snow still. At least it looks like it. Maybe not. But yeah, it is gorgeous up here. So I gotta climb up. Oh, by the way, maybe the worst part about that hiking experience I just had was having to wear this fleece up the trail. I would have thrown it in the backpack, but I don't have any room. And I'm expecting it to get pretty chilly once the sun goes down, so I figured I'd bite the bullet and just wear it. But I am very sweaty. I guess I could have tied it around my waist, but who wants to do that, really? Okay, I've made it up to Steamboat Mountain. Up here all alone. I'll give you a panoramic in a second, but there's something very exciting down here. I heard some rocks tumbling as soon as I got up here. And there is a mama mountain goat with her baby calf right there. Look at that. Which is pretty crazy. There's not much going on up here in terms of vegetation, at least on that side. That is Steamboat Lake. And that is Pato, Mount Adams. Right in front of me. So yeah, this is going to be an epic sunset. I don't really mind what happens tonight, if I get like a clear view of Mount Adams or not. I'm just super happy to be up here right now. This is amazing, especially all by myself and with company. So yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this. Look at this view I just found. What? Come on now. This place just keeps getting better, I swear. I leave the Tahoma viewpoint spot and I come back to where my pack is and I look to the south and look at East peeking through the clouds. An absolute mysterious nature. Looks like the Lonely Mountain in The Hobbit. Oh my goodness. I'm having so much fun watching my friends down here. There's 4 of them actually. There's 2 right down here, and then there's mama and baby right there. I can't tell if the ones on the right are young or not, but I've been noticing there are tracks up here too. Like right there's a couple. But yeah, so they must like it up here. Well, I sure am glad I got here very early. And I'm even happier that I had this whole place to myself. At least I'm the only human here. Yeah, it's 5 p.m. right now. And the golden hour starts in about 1 hour. So I think I will... Yeah, I'm just gonna relax. I'm gonna get my dinner going here in a second. That way I'm all replenished and ready to take photos and just soak it all in for the next couple hours after dinner. I mean, I don't think I could ask for anything better. I have Lewitt behind me, East to the south. I have Klickitat, still clouded over, but like it's right there. And then I have Tahoma behind me. Adding on to that, I have these beautiful swallows flying over me. I can see Steamboat Lake down there and another small little lake. I can see meadows, I can see forest roads, and I have mountain goat friends. Pretty awesome, pretty awesome. I just asked myself before I recorded this, what would it be like to live here? And I don't even know if I could comprehend how much peace and just beauty I would see every single day. This is a very, very special place and one I will definitely be coming back to. Look at what the universe has given us. almost a clear view of Klickitat. Such a perfect night so far. The mountain goats are still below me, still making a ruckus. But they're all the way off to this side now. There's one up there, two here, and then the baby's right there. So they're all right there. I wonder where they're going. I just found out these are called Vox's Swift. They're so fun to watch. They'll just fly right over your head without any hesitation. Unfortunately, it's almost time for me to say goodbye to this place. It's sad, because I would stay here as long as possible if I could. But I'll be back. It looks like the mountain goats may have found a spot to sleep tonight. Two of them are bedded down, the babies, by its mom, and then this one's still eating down here. But oh, wow. What a day. I am very happy to be back at Steamboat Mountain today. This time in a much different environment though. The snow has fallen here at about 5,400 feet. This was probably the other day when it was raining in town. And got a different attire on today too. I have a beanie on, my fleece lighting pants, two top layers. But I'm really excited to get up there and eat some lunch. Pretty snowy still on the trail, but this is just straight, whoa, as you can see I'm slipping. This is straight ice right here. So all the snow is frozen over, which should make for some pretty interesting trail conditions. I'll have to be careful. Got myself a walking stick. It's just a little too icy to be just without any stabilization. But oh, it's so beautiful up here. I think it's gonna be pretty windy on the top though. Look at the frost here. That's so cool. I made it. Actually, not too bad going up. I'm a little nervous for the descent, but it is so beautiful up here. Pato has plenty of snow now, and White East, same thing. Lewitt is over here behind, and she also has a good layer of snow now. And then, of course, Tahoma, over this way, it's always going to have snow, but gorgeous. And then the Goat Rocks also receive their fair share of snow. It's funny, you can see from up here where like the snow level is. All these trees have snow on the top of them, and then just below them, like in these pockets, there's no snow. So just up a couple 100 feet or so. But yeah, I'm gonna take some pictures, enjoy some lunch, and appreciate this view one last time for the year.